I'm meteorologist Meghan Wessel, and today is April 23rd for the Milwaukee area. It was kind of a crummy day today. We actually broke an old record of 7.31 inches of rain for the Milwaukee area. We beat that just by 1/100 of an inch of rain, so pretty impressive wet month we have had for April so far. So at 56 degrees today, but taking a look at rain showers through, these are rainfall totals. Sheboygan got hit probably the hardest in the system as they saw some stronger radar returns. They had a lot more rain showers to the Sheboygan area, but they tapered off when you headed to the south and east. And here's a big difference right along the lakeside. You can see where that front was. It's out to the west, just trace amounts in Madison and just over 1/4 in Watertown. And basically here's that front. You can see the big difference that we just saw in rain. That is the cold front, 56 for Milwaukee, almost 60 in Chicago, 66 Indianapolis. Out to the north and west, though, a lot cooler air from Canada, 38 in International Falls and 42 in Superior. So, yeah, they saw snow yesterday, 6 to 9 inches of snow. Not here, though, all rain. 40 degrees in Sheboygan right now, 37 mainly in West Bend, Port Washington, Milwaukee, 40 in Racine right now. For your overnight temperatures, we'll see those clouds sticking around, so that'll blanket the atmosphere, keeping that heat in overnight tonight. Not too bad, 31 in West Bend, 31 for Watertown, 28 in Wisconsin Dells, and for the Milwaukee area, 34 degrees in Milwaukee and Racine. So taking a look at radar, here's all those showers. And as you can see, Sheboygan got some of the stronger showers throughout the day today, but behind that, a couple reports of sleet and snow mixing in and basically dry behind that, so that's good. We're going to finally get all this rain out of here. There is that low pressure system that brought us all this rain today and the cold front, but behind that, just a few lingering clouds, but we'll see that dry air continuing to build in from the north and west. We'll see high pressure as that settles in here on future forecasts, bringing cooler air then by Wednesday morning, and then just a little upper level disturbance that'll bring some snow showers by Wednesday night. And we will see a secondary cold front then pushing through quickly, not dropping temperatures down for too long. But here is the good thing. This is going to bring us some 60s by early next week. That's the mild air that's going to filter in. That is going to be great. Dry, nice temperatures moving in for Wisconsin. Wednesday's high temperatures 43 with some showers for Rhinelander, mainly to the north, 46 in Wausau with partly cloudy skies, 47 for Green Bay. Madison, Milwaukee in the upper 40s then for Wednesday's high temperatures. 33 degrees tonight, though. Last time I hopefully will have to say anything about snow. That's going to be coming up. So rain showers tonight, clearing on out, northwest winds, and tomorrow 48 degrees. And we're going to dry out for the morning hours, cool conditions, southwest wind switch, and 34 tomorrow night. And like I said, last time I will say snow. It'll be rain at first, mixing into snow at 34. And then on Thursday, 50 degrees. It'll be breezy and cool with a northwest wind at 10 to 20 miles an hour. But this will be beautiful. We are going to warm up really nice by Saturday, 60 degrees. Partly cloudy skies, mid 60s, and by Monday, just a few showers. No more talking about snow anymore. 67 on Monday. What a fabulous start of your work week. 65 then on Tuesday. So that is something to definitely look forward to. I'm meteorologist Meghan Wessel, and today is March 20th of 2013, and it was the first day of spring, and it was 21 degrees for the Milwaukee area for a high temperature. That is well below what we normally see of 44 degrees. So that puts us at the 5th coldest first day of spring. That is incredibly cold, and that's due to the northwest winds bringing us all this Arctic chilly air from Canada and the further north. So basically what we'd see on January 20th would be 29 degrees for your average high temperature. February 20th, 34 degrees, and we're still way below that. So that's just proof right there how chilly and cold it is outside in Wisconsin. And basically it's the entire Midwest, and as we see, International Falls only 18 degrees today, Fargo 17. So those winds very cold. Northwest at anywhere from 15 to 20 miles an hour, and even yesterday we had gusts up to 47 miles an hour. So it's been chilly. 15 in Sheboygan right now, 16 in Port Washington, 18 in Milwaukee. Winds, good sign here, though they are dying down slowly. 14 in Sheboygan and Port Washington, 12 out of west-northwest in Milwaukee. And looking at wind chills, and this is a combination of temperature plus the wind, we're seeing 7 in Beaver Dam and Watertown, Port Washington 7. And overnight tonight, as those temperatures drop down, we'll see away from the lake, things looking a lot cooler, just the upper single digits, 6 in Fond du Lac, 7 in Beaver Dam and Watertown. A little bit closer to the lake, though, that'll keep us warmer. 11 in Sheboygan and Port Washington and 10 degrees in Milwaukee with just a few flurries moving throughout the area. This is the upper level disturbance just producing, even if it's wet enough and moist enough in the atmosphere, might just see a few flurries overnight tonight. But otherwise, clear skies behind that low pressure system that brought us snow earlier on this week. That continues off to the east, and dry, clear skies behind that as high pressure moves in throughout the day on Saturday, but by Thursday. And then by Friday, we're looking at dry air still over Wisconsin, but our next system starts to move in from the west, and that's going to bring us plenty of moisture and warmer air from the south. But the good thing with the dry air will bring us a lot of daytime heating and get us a lot warmer throughout your weekend. 29 for Green Bay's high temperature on Thursday, 30 in Milwaukee. Just a few clouds moving throughout the area. Out to the west, though, look at that, plenty of sunshine. That's a good sign as high pressure moves in Minneapolis, 27 in La Crosse, so that's a good sign. We're going to get a slow warm up then. Storm team forecast overnight tonight, 10 degrees with clearing skies, and it's going to be cold, which is something we've seen over the last couple of days. Northwest winds will continue at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Then tomorrow, 30 degrees. That's a good number to see finally. It's still brisk winds out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Cut that in half at 15 degrees by tomorrow night. It's going to be chilly, and it's going to have clear skies, mainly just a few clouds moving through at best, and 9 degrees in Waukesha, then 34 on Friday. So that's above freezing. That's a step towards a little bit warmer, and there's plenty of sunshine. It's still, like I said, it's going to still be cold, which is something I think we're used to now. But on Sunday into Monday, as temperatures drop down overnight, we'll see a mix. Slippery conditions probably for your commute Monday morning, but that'll all quickly switch over to snow during the early morning hours for your commute to work. So 36 degrees on Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday, just very close to 40 degrees. We're slowly getting there, but that's a good sign that spring might be on its way. I'm meteorologist Meghan Wessel, and it is April 2nd, so we are well into spring. And just taking a look at how wild April can be, a record 91 degrees could be the warmest, and that was a record back in the day, and coldest 12 degrees. That's quite a change, so we can see things switch from snow, rain, and it's our convective season also, so that just takes us to tornadoes and hail and all sorts of crazy weather because it is April. So that brings us to 1975, 10.4 inches of snow in a storm that moved through in April. That's impressive. And good example, 1977 Brookfield tornado. That is pretty crazy for April. So none of that today as we stayed pretty chilly. Taking a look after the Brewer game today, 32 degrees and mostly clear skies and still a bit chilly. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. 35 for tomorrow's game, third game of the season at 7:10 start on Wednesday. Still chilly, but the good thing is the winds will die down a bit. South winds at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Taking a look at high temperatures today, 31 in Marquette and International Falls, 37 for Superior, 35 in Wausau. So we're still seeing the mid-30s and just a few 40s to the south, but we're going to start to see warm air coming up from the south. 49 in St. Louis, 45 Indiana. That's the kind of temperatures we're going to begin to see in the next day or two. Right now, 30 in Sheboygan and Port Washington, 35 in Milwaukee, Racine, 33 down in Kenosha. Overnight tonight, we'll see temperatures dropping down quick. 23 in Sheboygan, 24 Port Washington. Down the lakefront, Milwaukee, Racine, Kenosha, 25 degrees. Out to the west, though, we're going to see in Beaver Dam 20, 21 in Watertown. So that's because of the heat loss throughout the day. Temperatures drop down quick. Here is high pressure sitting over Wisconsin. This dry air that continues over the Midwest, as we'll see this high pressure system sliding to the southeast along with that cold air and northwest winds. And we'll switch to nice southerly warm air moving up from the south. Cold front moves through by Thursday evening into Thursday late at night. We'll see things dropping down overnight. For Wednesday's high temperatures, just a few clouds in Rhinelander, 38 degrees. But the good thing here, plenty of sunshine throughout the viewing area. 43 for Milwaukee, 42 down in Chicago, 45 in Madison for Wednesday. Overnight tonight, 25 degrees, clear skies, still remaining to be chilly, northwest winds. 43 for tomorrow, sunny, but not as breezy. It's winds out of the northwest switching to the southeast at 5 miles an hour. And then by tomorrow night, a few degrees warmer, 28 degrees. Still clear, and it'll be seasonably cool for this time of the year. 55 on Thursday, plenty of sunshine and a lot warmer. With southwest, a little bit brisk wind at 10 to 15 miles an hour, but that'll be a warmer wind. Taking a look at your 7-day planner then, the drop down for Friday, 42 degrees. And then a batch of showers will move in by Saturday. 50 degrees for your weekend, 45 on Sunday. But it'll be a dry, nice day, maybe for a cookout before you have to head back to work on Monday. 42 degrees with some showers moving through. Those won't stick around, so that's good. 46 on Tuesday for the second day of the work week.